Hey, what's up guys, White Berserker here. Today I've got another unboxing video for you guys, and today it's the Samsung portable SSD T7 of 1 TB. I decided to get this SSD instead of the Philips one I had because I just couldn't find anything else about the Philips one. So yeah, I thought I just spent, I think it was like 13, it was like $13 more, but I mean, hey, at least I got something more reliable, if that makes sense. But yeah, let's get to it. There's some strong ass tape that they used. All right. Damn, it's really small. So this is the portable SSD. As you can see, it says right there. This is really small. Wow. And I thought the Philips one was kind of small, but this is even crazier. I mean, oh my god, I almost dropped it. Let me put it here. It's like kind of slippery because of the I think it's aluminum what they used. How do I take this out? Okay, I think we close this again. We open it from the side to get the cables out. Put this to the side as well. You got a USB-C to USB-C and it's USB-C to USB-A. So you get two cables with this, which is also one of the reasons why I went for this, because I use my laptop as well and then I can use the USB-C cable. So yeah, you got two cables, USB-C to USB-C, and then your USB-C to USB-A. Anything else in the box? Just a little booklet of, like, I don't know, some general information if anyone needs to know. But yeah, that includes the unboxing of the Samsung, I'm tempted to say Samsung Galaxy, but it's the Samsung portable SSD T7. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and let me know if you want to see more unboxings, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.